If you spend any time on the road, then you're used to seeing trucks. They're an essential part of modern society, hauling goods and other valuable cargo from place to place in order to keep the world running. What you might not be so familiar with is the crazy inventions that help keep these trucks running. So, without further ado, let's get into 10 most amazing truck inventions you must see. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Be sure to stay till the end of the video to check out our number 1 pick. Number 10, Yeti Snow and Ice Remover. First up on our list is an invention created to help deal with the dangerous buildup of snow and ice on trucks. The Yeti is a patented snow and ice removal system designed by Canadian engineering company Rainville Industries. It can take 30 minutes or more for 2 truckers to shovel the snow from the roof of a trailer box. If there's a fleet of trucks to shovel, that's a lot of wasted time and money. That's why the Yeti is capable of removing the snow and ice in under 2 minutes per truck. Why waste hours shoveling when a machine can do it in moments? An automatic head dynamically adjusts to the height of the vehicle below it, before engaging 2 powerful ice scraping blades and a rotating snow brush. This makes short work of even the most solid masses of ice. While traditional snow and ice removal requires you to clean up the resulting mess before continuing on to the next truck, the Yeti Snow and Ice Remover doesn't have that problem. Using an integrated snowblower, the Yeti is able to shoot the snow up to 20 feet away. This keeps your work area super tidy and ready for the next truck in moments. Number 9, Trailer Tilting System. When you want to haul a large amount of anything around, you're going to turn to a truck with a huge trailer. It's the most efficient way to get the job done. You know what's not efficient? Manually unloading that huge trailer. Enter the Trailer Tilting System, a machine designed to pick up the heavy lifting and save hours of man-powered unloading. Forget about wasting time unloading trucks by hand. It takes hours, and the labor expenses alone can cost a fortune. With the Trailer Tilting System, trailers can be unloaded in a few minutes, saving time and money. Designed by Valve Balling Systems, an engineering company in Belgium, the Trailer Tilting System is designed to unload directly onto a conveyor belt. This allows it to take the cargo from the back of the truck and quickly get it where it needs to be. There's no time for shuttling goods around. Conveyors are far more efficient and deliver loads directly to sorting machines inside the facility. Number 8, Scania electric trucks. Long-distance trucking uses a lot of fuel, and there's an environmental impact to go along with that usage. Well-known truck manufacturer Scania is aiming to change that with their new Scania electric trucks. These ingeniously designed Scania electric trucks utilize technology that's usually seen in trains and trams, connecting to overhead power lines which provide electricity to run powerful electric motors. What happens when there aren't power lines or the truck needs to pull into a facility though? That's no problem for these hybrid electric trucks. A traditional internal combustion engine kicks in and takes over from the electric power as soon as they disconnect from the electric power lines. You can't just launch innovative new technology like this without trialing it first though. That's why Scania has constructed a 1.2-mile long test track to put these electric trucks through their paces before they hit the roads for real. Scania already has interest from German authorities, who would like to add the power lines and support for the trucks to the Autobahn. Number 7, Napen trailers. Every now and then a company comes along that totally shakes up an established and settled industry. In this case, that company is Napen Trailers, a specialist trailer manufacturer from the Netherlands. Napen Trailers' innovative approach to trailer design adds function and utility well beyond the old-fashioned trailer boxes in use by most companies. They specialize primarily in the production of hydraulic sidewall trailers and clean sweep trailers. The hydraulic sidewall trailer solves a problem that has been plaguing the trucking industry for decades. How do you get an open-sided truck which is also built sturdily enough to handle heavy and/or unstable loads? The answer is with a Napen hydraulic sidewall trailer. This ingenious new technology allows the truck driver to remotely operate the entire sidewall of the trailer box, lifting the entire wall to either load or unload the truck. The clean sweep trailer takes a different issue experienced by truck drivers and deals with it in an equally efficient way. Cleanly removing loads of messy or dirty cargo used to be a nightmare before the clean sweep, not to mention the extensive cleaning required afterwards. The clean sweep trailer uses a specially designed shunting mechanism to quickly, and most importantly, leave the interior of the trailer as immaculate as the day it was made. Number 6, Faymonville Float Max. It doesn't matter how rough and tough your truck is if your cargo doesn't arrive in good shape. One of the most challenging loads to transport without breakage is glass panels intended for the construction industry. The Faymonville Float Max is a specially designed trailer created to safely deliver fragile glass payloads to building sites with ease. The Faymonville Float Max is what the trucking industry calls a multifunctional inloader. In simple terms, that means that it's perfectly suited to the transport of large and highly fragile cargo. Faymonville has over 50 years of experience manufacturing trailers and is actually one of the largest producers of specialist semi-trailers in the world. The Faymonville Float Max has been specially designed to not only be more aerodynamic than traditional trailers, but also take advantage of advanced load distribution technology to achieve the optimum weight balance. Loading this mega trailer up is far easier than you'd expect and can be accomplished by the driver using the external control panel. Regardless of how fragile your cargo is, the Faymonville Float Max is more than capable of delivering it safely. Number 5. Red Mount Column Lift. While it might be easy for Superman to lift a bus with one hand, the rest of us need a little help on that front. The Red Mount Column Lift is like no other car jack you've ever seen. This beastly machine is capable of lifting a bus. You can operate the Red Mount Column Lift either as a single unit or in unison. 4 units seamlessly synchronize to lift an entire vehicle off the ground. The Red Mount Column Lift is capable of lifting an astonishing 7.5 tons all by itself. When you get 4 of them together, they can lift a staggering total weight of up to 30 tons. What's even crazier about the Red Mount Column Lift is that it actually runs off batteries. You don't need to be anywhere near a power source to use this amazing invention. Inclement weather is no problem for the Red Mount Column Lift either. This unit is IP54 rated waterproof, meaning that even the most adverse of conditions don't have to hold you up. Number 4. McNeilus ZR Side Loader. Collecting garbage might not be the most glamorous job, but someone's got to do it. Now that job can be done faster and with way more efficiency thanks to the McNeilus ZR Side Loader. Awkwardly placed garbage cans and tight alleyways are a nightmare for traditional garbage collection vehicles. The McNeilus ZR Side Loader has been designed with every possible situation in mind. Its automated side loading arm makes short work of emptying the trash, regardless of the situation. Manually picking up garbage cans is outdated and slow. The McNeilus ZR Side Loader can collect up to 1,500 containers in a single day. Unlike old-fashioned trash collection arms, the McNeilus ZR Side Loader doesn't swing the garbage cans to empty them. Instead, it reaches straight out and only tilts when it gets to the point of emptying them. Combine that with an optional 12-foot extension arm, and the ZR Side Loader really can reach just about any trash can. All this collection efficiency means that the McNeilus ZR Side Loader can get full pretty fast. That's why this badass machine features an upgraded garbage compactor that works even more quickly than regular ones. Number 3. Siemens E-Highway. Electric vehicles may be the future of personal transport, but what about long-distance haulage? Trucks need considerably more power to deliver their cargo than a consumer sedan. Engineers think that they might have the answer with the Siemens E-Highway. Utilizing hybrid trucks that are able to run using both electric motors and traditional combustion engines, the Siemens E-Highway concept would allow for the vehicles to switch easily between fuel types. The Siemens E-Highway revolves around the idea of installing power lines above the highway, not too dissimilar to those found on the railway. The trucks would then automatically detect when they enter a lane which provides these power lines and connects to them. This would allow the trucks to run off 100% electric energy, only reverting back to the gas-powered engine when they are no longer connected to the power line network. Electric motors are considerably more affordable to run than gas-powered combustion engines. There are also huge implications for sustainability and environmental impact. The Siemens E-Highway is eco-friendly, cheaper to operate, and uses a much more sustainable energy source. Number 2. Volvo Iron Knight. When you hear the words Volvo and truck in the same sentence, you probably don't think of speed. However, our next invention might just change your mind about that. This is the Volvo Iron Knight, and it is the world's fastest truck. Drawing upon a quite frankly astonishing 2,400 horsepower, the Volvo Iron Knight is able to go from 0 to 60 in a staggering 4.6 seconds. That's faster than a 2018 BMW 430i Coupe. This is the fastest truck in the world. It holds the international speed record for 1,000 meters from a standing start, and the 500-meter record too. It was able to achieve the 1,000-meter record in a blazing fast 21.29 seconds, and the 500-meter in 13.71 seconds. While this truck might be a beast to observe, towering above SUVs and pickups alike, it's able to achieve supercar crunching top speeds of up to 172 miles per hour. That's even more impressive when you consider that the Volvo Iron Knight weighs nearly 5 tons. Number 1. Istobal HW Intra Wash. Cleaning out a long-haul truck trailer is a painstaking and laborious process. Hours of backbreaking manpower can be totally avoided using this wildly efficient new invention. Allow us to introduce you to the Istobal HW Intra Wash. Washing trucks might sound boring, but not with the Istobal HW Intra Wash. This fully automated washing machine delivers a balanced cleaning payload right into the heart of the trailer, before delivering full disinfection and pressure washing procedures to ensure everything is totally spotless. High-pressure nozzles make short work of even the toughest grime and dirt, reaching every corner of the trailer and cleansing it with a speed that cannot be matched by human cleaners. Even pieces of debris are no match for the Istobal HW Intra Wash, as the cleaning payload sweeps them out of the trailer into a waste collection hopper. When it comes to haulage trucks, size matters. That's why the Istobal HW Intra Wash is capable of cleaning the interior of trucks up to 16 meters long. And that's 10 most amazing truck inventions you must see. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.